This section shows the pipeline portion of the CRM. So this is where we can track the progress of all of the clients that we have in our current pipeline deals. The cool thing about this is that this will show us the gross commission income expected. So you can see in every phase where we can see kind of what to expect for a commission. Obviously, new leads, just contacted, I wouldn't count on those as actually being commissioned for you. But as we progress along and start getting to showing, listing prep, under contract, this is where we can start to kind of see what our expected income over the next few weeks to months is going to be. Very easy to use this. So if we have clients that we need to move along the pipeline, we can just take a client, drag them over, and move them to the next section of the pipeline. You'll see this gross commission income will start adjusting as we move clients over. So that's a nice feature to have. And again, it just kind of shows us where we're at and what to expect for income and track our clients as they move along the progress here. So the main setup of this page, you'll see there is a create pipeline, add deals, and edit stages. So when you first get in here, you're going to want to create your own pipelines. Right now, I have a buyer pipeline and a sales pipeline. So you can see that it'll just kind of move between the pipelines depending on what you have here. And you can create as many as you want. But to create a pipeline, I'm just going to click create pipeline. And I think I labeled this one wrong anyway. So let's just go with seller pipeline. Oops. Is what we'll want to call this. So I'm going to go in and create. Okay. And now all I have to do is kind of add my stages. So from right here, I have nothing that's added yet. So all I'm going to do is come up here and just do edit stages. And now within here, I can start to name my stages. So I might want to have a lead capture, right? So maybe I have a lead capture page. This is going to be the first stage. I'm going to add that stage in. All right. And now within this lead capture, I can set up certain tasks to happen. So if a client comes in through my lead capture, maybe I want to send an automatic email out to them. Or maybe I have a video email that I want to send out to them, and that's going to be my seller valuation follow-up. So maybe that's the video I want to show. So whenever somebody comes into the first stage of this pipeline, they're automatically going to get this email to them. I can also leave it so there is no email. I don't have to send anything automatically to them. There's nothing here. So I either send automatically or I don't, right? So if I wanted that video to send, I would have clicked this and it would have automatically sent. If I don't, I just leave it blank here. Okay. And again, I can draft the email. So if I want to email at this stage, I can draft it. I can have AI draft the email for me. So I can write in what I want, have AI draft it. It'll edit the email for me, just like it's done in other portions of this. If there's certain documents that I want included in here, I can include documents in this. So buyer's agency agreements, I can include that in here as well. And then again, if there's more stages I want to add, so the next one is going to be like maybe a consult setup, right? So maybe I've set up a consult to visit this seller's house. So I can come down to the seller consult and I can maybe, again, I have an email that I want to send out before that, maybe nothing. So again, you can go through and just kind of create all the stages of this pipeline. And then when I go to my pipeline, now I'll actually be able to see this. So here's my seller pipeline, here's my lead capture, here's my consult setup. So I'll be able to place my clients within these fields here. So that's basically the gist of that pipeline setup and pipeline usage. Very user-friendly, hopefully easy for you to use. Again, if you have questions, you can reach out, submit a ticket. Otherwise, this should help you move your clients along the progress.